Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word glazes. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The potter carefully applied several layers of glazes to create a beautiful, glossy finish on the ceramics. Glazes are a coating applied to ceramics or pottery before firing in a kiln. They provide a protective, decorative, and glossy finish to the surface. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.